So this will be the main menu screen. It'll have your start system and end system, but we'll focus on our recipe to start the machine to begin with. So you'll start at your recipe select. You'll load your recipe. On the top right, it'll say exactly where the recipe is and what you have on. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate the Frain recipe, and it is number 4. We have it set up for 1 minute cycles, pump speed at 60%, and temperature set for 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll be across the board pretty much the same for demonstration purposes, but when it gets to your facility, calibrate it to the product's liking. This will have your solenoids and all of your valves that are open and closed at the moment. In green means it's working, at gray means it's not operable at the moment. And so we will be hitting the start system to start the machine. During this process, the machine is going to be filling this first processing tank. As we make our way over to this tank, we will be focusing on our float switch. Our float switch is right here. We are going to want the water to go all the way to the top. And once the water hits the top, it is going to activate your valves across the system, and it is going to drain into your tank over there, which is going to be the product tank that we're going to be cleaning. So this will be your solution tank and your regular water tank, and these two together will mix together into that one. But for now, all we're focused on is getting this water full, and everything's set up in minute cycles. It will show the levels right here. So if you don't feel like standing and watching the tank, it could show you what percentage we're at. This program is set for around 98 to 96. One of those two, it'll stop flowing and it'll drain out into the processing tank over there, and it'll start cleaning our tank. The way these are measured are going to be through ultrasound sensors, and your ultrasound sensors are right here inside. So this is going to send sound waves into the water and back out, and it's going to determine what level the water is at. As the water starts to get closer to the top of the bubble, you'll hear the solenoid activate a little bit. That is normal. It is going to make some adjustments until the floater is fully floating, and then it will fully shut off the water. But noise during this process is normal. At this point, the machine will be emptying and draining its solution and water tank at the same time simultaneously into this machine. Now this machine will be filling up with liquid and solution. This, for video purposes, we have our set cycles for 1 minute, so that way we can show you what a complete process does look like. At this time, solution will be added into the holding tank. For video process, we're going to show pausing the cycle and continuing on as if this were to be drained already, but it will drain all the way, and then you will hit the drain cycle. So you're going to stop the system, hold it down for a few seconds, and then you're going to hit reset. So our pump is set up to drain, but your facility will have your drainage system to your liking. We're going to hit run. At this moment, this pump will be turning on, taking our water from our tank that we are trying to clean through this pump, around this tube, and out to the drainage system.
To start over from the very beginning, you have to hit that system before.